Welcome to A Moment with Rukwaru. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Today, I would like to discuss briefly on signs it's time to let go of a friendship. Even if you are in a friendship, a relationship, a time comes when you have to let it go. So when is this time? This is when there is constant negativity. Ups and downs rule the relationship, and they are a rule rather than the exception. So you find there is constant negativity, negatives, constant pulling and push. You find when it is constantly, this is the time that you have to leave and start another relationship. Second, when you find that relationship, the effort is one-sided. The other partner doesn't care. The other partner doesn't bother about to strengthen the relationship, but you find that you are the only one who is struggling. So this is the time you have to let go of that friendship. Another time, you find that you are not growing together. You find you are growing apart. The relationship should grow. You have to grow, both of you. You have to move from one point to another. But then you find that in this relationship, you are moving apart and apart. This is a signal that you have to let go that friendship. Then you also find that they undermine your self-esteem. A true friend should be your cheerleader. You find that these people, they are always making you feel inadequate or even doubting yourself. The question was, you end up questioning yourself. They tend to tell you that you are useless. And then you find now in that relationship, it cannot go very far, and it's the time to let it go. Then you find that you no longer share common values. You see, common values, common interests, and common experiences. And the values are very important. Values are very important because they determine how you are going to make your decisions. They determine how to take action. And they even determine the trajectory your life is going to take. If you find that you don't share common values, please, it's a sign that you should let that friendship go, because it will not go far. Then another point is that they aren't there when you need them. You find a good friend will be there when you need them. In your lowest moments, when you are discouraged, when you have also got a need, when you need to be assisted, you find that they are no longer there. That is a sign that you should let them go. You break up from that friendship. Then you feel that they judge you rather than understanding you. They don't take time to hear what you are saying, but they make a judgment prematurely. And then you see that relationship will not go far. Then you find that this relationship, it brings more pain than joy. More pain, more stress, more sadness. This is a relationship you need to let go. Thank you very much. For those who are in a relationship and you can see these signs, please try to do an evaluation. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you.